WGAN Forum Podcast number 372. Tuesday, February 25, 2025.
This episode of the WGAN Forum Podcast is sponsored by SimLab. Are you using Matterport for construction progress monitoring? With SimLab stages powered by Matterport, you can reduce rework and travel costs to improve communication and transparency. Visit www.simlabinc.com.
Matterport 2025 Winter Release, Productivity Multiplied delivers the next leap in property marketing and management. From AI-generated marketing to real-time collaboration, the latest features make every step faster and easier. Sunnyvale, California. Globe Newswire, Tuesday, February 25, 2025. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, a pioneer in digital twin technology and spatial data capture, is redefining what's possible in property marketing and management with its Matterport 2025 winter release. Packed with powerful new features, AI-driven automation, and workflow-enhancing tools, this release transforms how real estate professionals, designers, and facilities managers capture, market, and manage spaces, unlocking new levels of speed and efficiency. The latest features in the Matterport 2025 winter release, Productivity Multiplied, set a new standard for the digital transformation of the built world, empowering customers to work smarter, move faster, and drive stronger business results. The 2025 winter release is a game-changer for real estate professionals. We're making it easier than ever to market, manage, and sell properties with AI-powered tools that save time and maximize impact, said R.J. Pittman, Chairman and CEO of Matterport. From instant, ready-to-go marketing packages to seamless team collaboration, these innovations eliminate busywork so our customers can focus on what matters, closing deals and growing their business. And with our new model merge and smart tagging features, scanning combining multiple sections of a property is seamless, capturing large spaces has never been faster or easier. Next-level productivity, what's inside the winter release? One Matterport Marketing Cloud makes listing a property faster and easier than ever. For the first time, real estate agents can schedule a property to be digitized and receive a complete, ready-to-use digital marketing package within approximately 1 to 2 business days in most major metros. Each package includes a stunning 3D virtual tour, high-resolution images, a polished, social media-ready video, AI-generated property descriptions, and detailed floor plans with precise room measurements, all powered by Matterport's property intelligence. Plus, seamless MLS integration eliminates the usual listing delays, helping agents get properties on the market faster with minimal effort. 2. Smarter tagging tools save time and streamline documentation. New enhancements to Matterport's tagging functionality help designers, architects, contractors, and property managers work more efficiently. Users can now copy annotations, tags, from one digital twin to another or import-export tags using CSV files, eliminating the need to recreate them manually. This is especially valuable for long-term projects where maintaining consistent documentation across multiple scans is critical. Plus, teams can now add field tags in real time while scanning, ensuring observations are recorded instantly and included in the final digital twin. These upgrades reduce the need for extra site visits, saving time and money. 3. Faster collaboration with new multi-user scanning. The new merge functionality allows multiple users to scan a property at the same time and combine their work up to 2,000 scan points into a single digital twin. For large or complex properties, this dramatically reduces turnaround time, enabling teams to capture spaces faster and work more efficiently. Whether scanning office buildings, multi-unit developments, or expansive retail spaces, teams can now collaborate in real time to get the job done in a fraction of the time. 4. Declutter any space instantly with Matterport's Defurnish tool. Home sellers and agents can now remove clutter, excess furniture, or personal items from a space with a single click, making it easier for buyers to see a property's full potential. Users can also set the defurnished version of a 3D tour or still image as the default viewing experience. Coming soon, they will also be able to create highlight reels that showcase both furnished and defurnished views. Originally introduced in the Matterport 2024 fall release, Defurnish is now fully available, giving real estate professionals a powerful way to present listings in their best light. To learn more about the new capabilities and features, explore the Matterport 2025 winter release and read the Matterport blog. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking spatial data platform turns buildings into data to make nearly every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at www.matterport.com and browse a gallery of digital twins at matterport.com/discover.